my channel, Simply Indigo. I'm Mich and today Marijn is here again with me. Hi Marijn.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Great.
Great.
So
What are we making today?
we're making today an aubergine or eggplant spread.
Okay.
Good?
Have you done it before?
Yes.
Really?
We did it before.
We did it before.
Okay,
But
so
now we're here to teach you how to make this. I mean, the spread, not a...
not the aubergine. Yes. We don't know how to garden. Do you know how to garden?
Sure, it can't be that hard, can it?
It is hard.
Plant the seed, water the seed, grow it.
No. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so what do we do first?
We first cut the eggplant in slices.
How do that?
Oh shoot! Go again.
Okay, so what do we do now with the slices?
We put it on a baking tray with parchment paper and
Pepper, paper.
pepper.
Pepper, what?
No, it's okay, leave it. It will be fine.
The world thrives on diversity.
In your head. In your world. Now sprinkle it with salt so the eggplant can release his
Moisture.
moisture.
Moist.
His liquid. Fill it with salt and I sprinkled you with salt too so you can release your moisture.
I shall.
Now we set it aside and if you like you make it or
You
should
can do that.
Okay, I
Because
will.
I'm already releasing moisture apparently, so it's your turn now.
Oh, okay, I do it.
Get your eyes.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, so cut the onion
Because the onions.
in
Small piece. Why are we using onion?
why not?
I mean, what are we using it for? That people know what we're using it for, right?
For in the spread.
Okay, but what are we doing it with it? What are we...
We're cutting it in.
Yeah, but what are we going to do with the slices?
Oh, we put it also on the baking tin tray and bake it with a eggplant.
Okay,
Yeah.
for flavor or what?
Yes.
Okay, we're using the onion to give flavor to the eggplant that we're about to bake.
No, we put it on a baking tray so it can cook also for in the spread, not to give flavor
okay,
on the aubergine.
okay, I get it.
Right. And you may do the garlic if you like. You can peel it.
Peel the garlic.
Yeah. Hoppa.
Hoopa!
But first we're gonna dip with paper towel. The aubergine
Moisture.
moist pipi.
Aubergine pipi will
I will set.
dip away aubergine pipi. Because that's what we do.
You hold it.
Yes, some people to see how you dip pipi.
So dip, dip,
Dip, dip,
dip, dip,
dip, dip,
dip,
dip,
dip, dip,
dip,
dip, dip,
dip, dip.
dip, dip.
Don't forget this one.
Oh, dip,
Dip top.
dip, 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 dop. Oh, dop.
So now we
You can do it.
really.
Really?
So we
You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Slow but great. Slow is okay.
It flew away earlier, so...
Oh, he doesn't want to bake. Scared to go in the oven. Now,
To the oven we go.
to the oven.
Wait.
Yeah.
How long? How many degrees?
Right. On 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes.
Make it 11.
11 it is. So we have our eggplant out of the oven and we're gonna transfer it into a
Bowl.
yeah. And then what are we going to do then, Marijn?
We're going to bake the bell pepper.
Yes.
Yeah.
On 220 degrees Celsius for how long? For until the skin turns black.
Blackish.
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 Yes. Okay. What's his name?
Mouthy.
Mouthy?
Mouth.
Mouthy.
Mouth.
Oh shoot.
So, you don't have to cut it or anything, just put it down like that.
Yes.
Bell pepper on baking tray.
Yes. Into the oven it goes.
So the oven it goes again.
Whee! Fuck green. Here we have a roasted bell pepper.
And we have to peel it.
Yes.
Okay, let's peel the bell pepper.
Yep. Don't burn yourself, so let it cool down a little bit.
Yeah, 'cause it's pretty warm.
Take out the seeds. Out of the seeds.
Take the seeds out of the seeds.
Take the seeds out. Just take seeds.
Take the seeds out. You want no seeds here.
No, seeds are not that delicious. Not that yummy. And now,
We are going to like put everything in a blender, I suppose, right?
yes,
Everything, including how many dates?
2 dates,
2 dates and
a handful of sun-dried tomatoes. Like there are 6 or so, I think. 6 half sun-dried tomatoes. If you like, you can.
I don't want. Yeah, I kind of want to.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get the stick.
Maybe we don't need it.
Maybe we don't need the stick. but
Maybe.
in case we do, here's the stick.
Okay, so bell pepper.
Can I put in the bowl of?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Put in a bowl of things.
Bowl of things, yes. And then the sun-dried tomatoes.
Some dried tomatoes. And the dates.
Yes.
Oh, you have to peel them first? Is there a pit inside?
Yeah, there's a bit inside, so
Where is it?
squeeze it out. And
It's
just
very small.
whoop easier. No,
No, you can do that.
you don't need to.
No, otherwise I'll make my hands dirty again.
Oh, so sad.
Squeeze the lime, do not drop the lime.
And if you drop lime, don't blend it with the lime.
What? If you drop the lime, don't blend it with your lime.
Yeah, take it first out again, then squeeze it all out.
Drop it again.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Alright.
And a little bit of pepper to taste. And then blend it up. Plop, plop.
Are you ready?
Yes! mustard spread. I think it's done.
I think that's our spread.
Yes, I think so.
Spread!
Spread! Spread! Spread!
Oh.
Almost dead spread! Shit!
Do not spread while you're cooking. That's, you can make the spread, but you can't do the spread because doing the spread is lethal, apparently. Almost lethal.
Put it in the... yeah. That's not working. Yeah, oh, it's working. Amino. Teamwork!
Wow!
Team Marijn.
Yeah, Team Marijn. Not Marijn.
Marijn. So we're done with the spread.
We're done. No.
And now you taste test. With a spoon, not with your finger.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
You think so too?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
It is Marijn approved.
That's a great approval. Approval?
Approval.
Approval.
It's the highest approval rating you can get. Marijn approved. And the worst is... Mich approved.
Thanks.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. Done.
Yep.
It's a wrap.
Okay.
Scary.